I'm really happy about the process of getting this home ready. We decided that we weren't going to cut any corners. I think there's a responsibility as a homeowner. Like, this place has been such a blessing to me. I want to make sure it's a blessing to the next person that comes. And then I know all of these neighbors too. We know all these neighbors. So the last thing I want is someone to be complaining about something that we could have fixed. I talked about it before. It's a pride of home ownership. There's a pride when you're there, and there's a pride when you're leaving. And I think that you get like real estate karma on both sides. So people always wonder, well, how you get into investing? How do you get these opportunities? Well, it's because I honor the real estate that I'm in, even if it costs me more, knowing that the universe is going to give me opportunities on the other side. It's always worked out like that.
I think at the end of the day, I just want to make sure that this home is something that the next family can really enjoy the same way that we enjoyed, and them not coming here and finding that they have to take care of the minor things, so the small things. Like, I want them to be able to come in and be like, all right, I can just put my stuff in, right? I'll put my own stamp on it in a couple of months, but everything that I have here is solid, and I know that my family is going to be able to enjoy it for years to come, and then we can work on tweaking it and customizing it the way that we like it.
Yep, because we ain't had it when we moved.
We did not have that. We came in here, we had a flood, we had mold remediation. We definitely didn't have these bright white cabinets. We had a lot of work to do when we got here. And so, you know, if we can at least pay it forward by the way that we've been able to take care of this house and really pour time and energy and investment into it to make it into what it is today for someone else, then that's a great thing. And the good news is this, for all of you home sellers out there, we didn't do all these things overnight, right? If you'll start and we'll walk through the house and there's repairs, updates, modifications that we made over the 12 years we were here, right? So what's most important for all of you current home owners who will be future home sellers is that you have to do the things along the way so that you're not trying to basically hand deliver a brand new house to the next owner. Enjoy the time you spend here, enjoy the updates that you make so that when it's time for you to pass the torch, you've already done everything.